Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn how to create an outline on a text in Canva. And this is not with using the standard effects option. This is by creating an outline. As you can see, that is an actual image that was a text. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a template for our Minions custom party favors that we offer. So we do offer this as an editable template that you're able to download. This first step is you're going to create a design and you're going to want to choose your size that you're going to want to use for your canvas. So we're going to just use the standard 8.5 by 11. I'm putting this in a landscape, so I chose the 11 by 8.5 format. And from there, we're going to just select the text option. And when you select the text option, you'll have the text box where you can add in your text. And as mentioned for this example, because this is pertaining to the template that we do offer on our website, that is an editable template for a Minions party favor theme chip bag, you're able to adjust the text and the greeting and the message, as well as adjust the colors in the template as well. So here I'm just going to choose a different font. And I'm just going to write the birthday greeting thank you message as normally we would put on custom chip bags. At the back of the custom chip bags, I'm going to write thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. And as I do that, I'm just writing it in any format right now. When you create your text that you would like to include on the back of the custom chip bag, you can write whatever message it is that you would like to put at the back there. You want to put an exclamation mark after your birthday greeting, you can. That's all optional. And the way how you want to format it as well is optional. This is just for example purposes, but sometimes this is how I actually do them on my chip bag as well. Now for this, I'm going to change the font color because I just want to show the example as clear as possible on that. So before I change the font color, I'm going to change the background color to black because the font color that I want to change it to is white actually. So when I do that, I'm going to select white from the color option. So that's going to be the font color that I want to work with. And then I'm going to want to create an outline using the effects option. As you see there at the very top, effects right beside animate. I clicked on that button and then I clicked on outline. I'm going to choose the color that I would like to outline this text. I'm going to choose blue, and with the effects option, you are able to adjust the size of the outline. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, whatever it is for your preference. I'm going to make this outline just slightly bigger. And then once I do that, once I actually choose the exact size that I want the outline to be, then I will actually go ahead and remove that black background and so that it's back to white. Now, as with the effects button with Canva, you're not actually able to create another layer of an outline. And this is where this tutorial is going to come in handy. So we're going to download this text right now, and we're going to download it as a PNG. And very important step right here is transparent background. You have to click transparent background so that way that white background is not going to show on when you upload this as an image. So this was a text that you created, and now this text has been turned into an actual image. So I created a second page using the same canvas here in Canva. This is a second page that I'm going to use to upload that image that was just downloaded. So I'm going to my download folders. I'm going to look for that file that was just downloaded. And once I do that and find that file, I'm going to then upload that file into that second page. You can also do it from the first page that you created as well. It doesn't really matter because you could delete either page. So once I do that and I upload that text that is now an actual image, because if you try to edit this text, you're not going to be able to because it's an image file now. It's a PNG file. So what I want to do first, what I always like to do is crop this, because as you can see here, there's so much space around it. It is a clear background. If I was to change the color to black at the back, you wouldn't see any of the white on there. because it is going to be a clear background. So what I want to do first here is I'm going to crop this and just make it a little bit smaller to work with before I add that second layer of an outline. You could do this in one or two ways, but this is the easiest way that I'm showing you right now as to how you're going to add that second outline layer onto the text. But first, as I mentioned, I like to work with it in a way where I just adjust the size of it. So it's I just want to make sure that the outline is going to capture majority of the text and not all that extra space that came from when it was uploaded back onto the canvas. So I'm just working with the crop tool here. And for the crop tool, all I did was click on edit photo, because as I mentioned, now as an image, also known as photo, you're able to edit that as an actual image. So now we're going to click on edit photo again. You're going to scroll down to your left side here where you see that soccer ball and it says shadows under effects. Click on effects. You have the option for glow, drop, and outline. That's for glow, drop, and outline. All three do three different things. So we're going to choose outline. Automatically, it's defaulted at black. I'm going to choose a different color for this example as to how to outline the text. I'm going to choose yellow because, again, we're working with the Minions theme and we're working with the theme of the design of that custom chip bag. So I'm going to choose yellow. Remember, my first outline layer is already blue. So I want to choose yellow and I want to make that outline stand out. So I'm dragging that size bar and I'm going to select it until I reach to a desired size that I like. So that's how you would actually create this effect of creating that additional outline in Canva using your text created into an image. So I hope that helps with when you're editing your templates. This can be done not just for this particular template, but for any template and not just for a chip bag, for anything. Hope you enjoyed this video and tutorial. Thanks for watching.